I'm finna fly to Japan. I'm gonna stack of the yen. Tell them again and again. We know we are not friends. I go to Tokyo. They tellin' lies to Tokyo. Shorty, she ride like rodeo. I get the dope and no overdose. I've been on the block like J-Lo. I seen devils out there rock halos. Before they come up, sometimes gotta lay low. Think about that like Play-Doh. Man, the world ain't fair, so I don't play by the rules. Stick a C, dot in every I, crossing every T. Let me breathe.
Oh, good morning, YouTube. Today I have a very cool video for you guys. It's gonna be a little bit different because we're incorporating two of my projects into the same video. So that's what we're doing. Now, one of the vehicles we're gonna be modifying today is my 2020 Ford Explorer ST, what I'm in right now. This thing, I love this thing. You guys have seen this thing multiple times on this channel. Today we're gonna be putting the first mod officially on this car, as well as putting the first mod onto my 2014 LTZ 400. So I'm gonna head to the shop right now where we're gonna be putting the exhaust on. JJ Performance, you guys know and love them. They're building that 2023 GMC pre-runner that you guys need to check out. This is gonna be linked in the description. And they're gonna be helping me put on my exhaust today. I think it's an MBRP axle back exhaust, so stay tuned. Let's hit the intro and we'll see you guys at the shop. We are just pulling up to Function. Dang, look at that delivery. Oh my God, yeah, fit it through the window. Dude, what's up, man? How's it going? I'm excited to put those on. It's gonna sound a little bit better.
All right, you know how to turn a wrench?
I think we can handle it.
Do something with that brake dust.
Dude, don't talk about the brake dust. He's got a clean turbo RR in here. He's also got this sick RS4. So clean. Oh, it's a lot. This thing is so mint. Got the exhaust in there. Let's close her up. Let's head to Jake's shop. Right around the corner. Let's get this thing on here. It's gonna sound so good. I'm so excited. If you guys didn't see on the JJ Performance channel, they just got this new shop built back here. So we're just gonna pull right in here. And I think this is where we're gonna be doing the installation today. Pull right here. Got a sweet Jeep. They got some really cool projects that they're working on. You know, they build pre-runners, supercars, that kind of thing. So today we're working on the old Explorer ST. Got the exhaust, and I'm gonna walk in here, say hey, what's up to the guys. I just saw Jake pulling out. This is one of my favorite exhausts for this car, and it just sounds so raspy, so deep. So with these V6 engines, you gotta find the best exhaust for them, and I think the MBRP exhaust is perfect for the sound of this car. So we are gonna get this thing unboxed, unwrapped, and see what MBRP has included in this package. I'm excited. Shout out to Function Performance for hooking it up on the exhaust. Shout out to JJ Performance. Both linked down in the description for helping me out getting this thing sounding right. Just getting this thing opened up. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful. You ready to get started on this thing? Got some upgrades. I mean, it's not no SVR, but
Ease forward about 3 inches so you can get us out of that water.
You ever installed one of these before?
Nope.
Nope, never worked on a car before.
Nope.
First day. What you think?
All right, see how many we're gonna put on the dyno after this? See how many HPs we get out of it?
We got, oh man, we're jacking her up. Goodness, we got this thing high up. Oh, we're gonna lose some weight today.
I'm gonna go get the old Milwaukee torch.
All right.
I don't know how to read.
Milwaukee.
I don't have a lot of pictures.
No pictures, not even colored. We can't even tell what they are.
Oh, cut the factory exhaust and mark locations.
You're in luck. $500 worth of
Saw blades?
Sawzall blades.
Nice. Oh, nice. Just for this?
Nope.
Oh.
I got mad at the stock cross members in there on the Chevy.
Just cut them off.
We were gonna figure out about the entire aisle which one was gonna work. Worth the damn. I could do a whole Yelp review on these.
Oh my. Oh my gosh.
I don't want to get wet.
Hey.
Let's see it, Jake.
What are we cutting? I went to elementary school. Step 1.
Jake the lobotomist.
The what?
Isn't that the
You don't
person
have to
that cuts
read,
up?
but you know what that mean? You know what that word is? What is wrong with people these days? It's legal in California?
Absolutely not.
Carb compliant.
This is not.
Hey!
I really don't know how to get anything done here.
Here.
Whoa, 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 whoa!
Huh?
What? Is that freaking real Indian turquoise?
Oh.
What you got going on here?
What in the freaking blue walnut is that? You gotta be kidding me.
No way.
Wow.
He said, watch this.
That's something that would go more suited with
Can't take that one to the airport?
with Sean's haircut than yours, but alright.
Why using a wood blade?
It's not a wood blade. This is serious. What does it say right there? Thick metal.
Woo! You started up NASCAR style?
Yeah.
I'll let you. Oh yeah.
Come on, bro. Let's hear this sucker.
Little curb ski action.
It's quiet.
Yeah, it is still quiet.
Does it sound better?
Yeah.
Okay.
You
You can hear your spooling now?
You can hear, yeah, you'll be here to the spoolage. Perfect, dude. Cannon, straight cannons. Start her up, Andrew. Ooh, ooh. Woo! Still sounds like a V6. Dude, the turbo sounds so good now. Thanks for helping, dog.
Yes, sir.
But that is only the first exhaust we're doing today, so we're gonna switch it over and go over to Jake's house and put the pipe on the four-wheeler. Ike's already ready for the car. All right, you ready? It's really nothing significant, but oh, Ike, you're gonna get scared. Oh. Much better?
Sounds pretty wimpy.
Yeah, it does. It does. It's not a V8.
Definitely sounds throatier than my truck, but
We need to get an exhaust on the truck next.
yeah, can we do that? Can we
Let's do it.
A straight pipe out.
Yeah, absolutely. All right, guys, it is a few days later now, and we are back at Jake's house. You can see his little mini truck over there. But I have left my side-by-side and four-wheeler over here for the last few days. And the last time that you guys saw me, we did this little addition to my car. Woo! That's right, we added an exhaust system onto the 2020 Ford Explorer, and this thing sounds insane. But that is not the only thing we are making louder in this video. We are actually gonna walk over here and talk about one other unit that we are popping on an exhaust today that has needed to happen the whole time I've had it. We are unfortunately not putting an exhaust on the Can-Am just yet, but we are gonna go ahead and pop on an exhaust on the LTZ 400. This thing is gonna sound so rowdy with an exhaust, and I hope you guys are ready. I'm ready to hear this thing be opened up and sound like a true 400 four-wheeler. So what we're gonna do now is I gotta pop this thing off the trailer. I've actually got to clean these units. I have not even touched them since Durhamtown a few weeks ago. Mudbash is this weekend, so I've got to do a lot of cleaning before I go there. A lot of work. I got to do a lot of prep work getting these units ready. We're going to do some really cool videos at Mudbash this year, something a lot different than what everybody else is doing. Let's get this thing off the trailer and let's get this thing over to Jake's shop. Is that Jake Grayson Vlogs?
Something like that.
I got a calendar. Hold on. Let's see who we got. We got Santa Claus. Big gun exhaust. Dude, they use freaking big gun freaking tape, bro. I'm telling you what. Okay. I'm seeing something, Jake. I don't even know if this is gonna work. I hope this is for this. Big gun.
Don't put the tip on the ground, bro. What are you doing? Oh, yeah, brother.
Is that right?
Dude.
Is that right?
Yeah. Quit wasting time and take the stock one off.
All right. Watch this. First try. What do you think?
No way.
Dude, this is it.
That never happens.
Dude, this is it.
And then you're gonna go put it in the wrong spot.
Shut up. First try, baby!
I'll give it to you.
Dude! No way, I did not see that coming. Where's the new tool?
What new tool?
Yeah.
Dog, I didn't buy that.
You didn't buy it?
No.
Why?
I just sent you a video showing you that Lowe's carried it.
I thought you were gonna.
I was letting you know so you could go get it for us.
I'm not getting it. Where's the snap-on?
Dude, don't be scratching my ratchet, man. That's a
Oh,
valuable item.
I'm sorry. Oh, you were serious. Are you serious? I can't tell.
No.
Look at this rotation.
That's just lifetime warranty, baby.
AutoZone.
Ooh, dude, could you imagine? Could you imagine?
I think we gotta do it. Woo!
Dude, clean that thing once in a while.
Dude,
I thought you said you had a fresh unit.
first day on the job.
Is that Durham Town dirt right there?
That's that Durham Town dirt. We didn't even wash it yet.
I'm not surprised there.
Alright, moment of truth. Do you think it's gonna work?
Dude, I think you got it.
It's a different angle. Oh, it's gonna work.
It's like the angle of the dangle's a little off.
Oh, dude.
Oh, yeah, we're making that work.
Oh,
Oh,
like a glove,
and
bud.
they're like swimwear.
Ready?
I'm ready.
Oh, hold on, I gotta put the clutch in. Woo! Let's shoot a flame? No, all over.
All right, maybe we should bolt it up
Maybe
first.
we should bolt it down.
Little cross thread action. Is anybody out there working on their quad? Mo.
Mo on his loaner bike.
Dude, that thing looks crispy. And the best part about it is like nobody complain because you're supporting the ecosystem right here. In case you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to Jake Grayson's YouTube channel.
You ready to hear this thing?
Let me hear it.
Oh, dude.
Show me something. Dude, he loves it. Look at him.
Dude, give her a rip.
Dude, it marks.
No way.
He wants
Not
to
the
go.
dog.
Dude, he's a rider.
He's a rider, bro. That thing sounds so insane now. Oh my god. 1,000 times better now. That is so crazy. I love it. Henry's hanging on for dear life, bro. That is so funny.
Now he's digging and dragging. Look at him. Oh, no way! Dang, brother! Oh, dang, dude!
So I was gonna try to get my drone back.
They're asking about you on the channel.
No, they're not.
Last video. I was reading the comments.
I don't think I saw any of
It said, will she get a girlfriend?
that.
Did you see that one?
No, I didn't.
Oh,
You should get a girlfriend. Aw.
it's like